Lay on the roses. Observe this moment. Jump across the roses. It's the roses. Lay on the roses. Observe this moment. Jump across the roses.
I said they ain't hating hard enough. You gotta put stars in your.
I know, right? I'm gonna take my up tomorrow.
Yeah, you gotta take it. But they ain't hating.
What you eating? Right here is all you old, mad, miserable. You cannot rent a customized car, one. Two, my car is in my name, Ariana Fletcher. Don't play with me. Mario got these so mad. So mad. It's Greg and Shane got me these pretty bags and this scarf to go with it. I love these so much. Thanks. I love y'all. Dreamy. Thanks, Tucson. And look, he put Arita down on the front. Thank you. This is the robe, y'all. Olivia got me these cute earrings and some Fendi boots. Thank you, boo. Royal got me some perfume. Thank you. Nemo got me some Baccarat. Love you. You gonna see it. Diamond got me a Fendi dress. Baby D. Yes, I can't wait to wear this. I should have worn this in Miami. Thanks, I love you. This is from Foxy. Thank you, I love you. This is from Rich. You know I gotta go out the country and style my passport case. Stop playing. And he got me a Dior visor. Thanks, Rich. This is from Brit too. I really wanted these. Thanks, Brit. To go with my bag. These are from Nikki. Tricky Nikki. Thank you. I love you. From Tay. Yes. I love this Tay. If you adore her, Dior her, Tucson. Oh my God. These are from my sisters, Ashley and Bird. And they also got me some white Chanel slides too, but I wore them already because I was thirsty. And they still in my suitcase. I love y'all. But clear as day, my sister got me some Louis Vuitton, a Gucci perfume set. So we looking for it right now, but I love you. Yeah, somebody stole it. You probably stole it.
I was in my bag, I had to get out. Never knew a nigga would be next now.